Good afternoon, guys. It's Danny from Inglorious Fishing. It's currently a Wednesday afternoon. I'm on the walk down to the boat, so that only means one thing. We're going out to do the lobster and crab pots, guys. Now, they've been out for about 6 days, so I'm hoping that we're going to get a good catch today. Probably won't, because we don't normally do that well, but I'm hoping that we get a few lobsters and a few nice brown crabs, guys. So, yeah, like I say, we're just making the walkway down to the boat. It's a lovely day today. Unfortunately, I've hurt my arm. I don't know how I've done it, but I've got excruciating pain going through my left arm. So I'm gonna have to go and see the doctor about that. But yeah, hopefully it don't hamper the lobster pulling. So yeah, walking down to the boat now, guys. I'll bring you back once we're at the boat. Let's go get these lobsters. There she is, guys, there she is. Look at that for a fine vessel. Alaska 500, Spencer Carter winch there, electric winch. Fantastic. So guys, I've got my wets on, the engine's running, warming up. Let's start making our way out there. Cue the music. Let's go get these lobsters. So guys, first pot, absolutely useless. 2 brown edible crabs, not very big. And the same in there, you might have 1 decent brown edible crab, but spider crabs and stuff like that, guys, so no good in the traps. Just gonna empty these and we'll get on to the second set. Hopefully we can do a little bit better. Get onto that second string. Second string, guys, hopefully we do a little bit better. Come on the lobos, I say, bring on the lobsters. Here comes the first pot, guys. Nice brown crab. Second pot's coming, guys. So guys, second string, first pot, all we got is 1 small spider crab. Not very good, that is a female as well. You can tell by the apron there, that's where she keeps her eggs. She's keeping it secure at the moment, so we'll chop that back. In the second pot, got a nice brown edible crab here. That's going to be a keeper, guys, definitely. Nice couple of spider crabs, but they're too small. So all the spider crabs are going to be going back. I'm going to get this brown crab out. There we are. Nice little brown crab there, guys. Doesn't look the best, but still a keeper that. So that's coming home with us. Gonna empty them. We'll get on to the third set. What a beauty. Get on to the third set. Third set was hitched, but we've now got it out, guys. It's get these lobsters. I can feel some lobsters. Whether it's in this string or not, I don't know, but hopefully we get a couple today, guys. First pot's here, guys. Not very good at all, guys. Next to nothing in there. Hopefully the second one does a bit better. Second pot, guys. A load of dump again. Small spider crab. Not worth even showing you off the mount. And in the second pot, another small spider crab. That is it. So I'm going to get these back out and we'll get on to the next set. Not good so far. Get on to that fourth set, guys. First pot's coming up, guys. Let's hope for some lobsters. Oh, we have a big conger eel. I hate them things. Big conger eel in there, guys. I don't like them. Well, it's not big, but it's still a conger eel. Hopefully the second pot's got the lobster. They say wherever there's a conger, there's a lobster. Here's the second pot. We have a lobster. I don't know if it's going to be big enough though, guys. Close. Let's show you the catch. So guys, first pot. This is the one with the conger eel in. Brown crab there. Female, that's not good enough. That goes back. A few of these. Now we got the conger eel in there. I don't know if you can see it. Evil little bugger. I'm going to put this over the side and we're going to shake him out. There he is, look. There's his head. There we go. Straight out he goes, guys. That's the way to get rid of them. I hate them. Right, let's get this pot back down. Hold up, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 brown edible crabs, guys. Get rid of them. That's the first pot done. Just put that back down here. Second pot. I'm seeing a lobster. There it is. That's the lobster, guys. I'm going to check that for gauge in a minute. It's going to be close. I'll put that down there for now. You just got abundance of brown edible crabs, velvet swimming crabs and spider crabs, guys. So, well, velvet swimming crab there with a load of eggs. Look, all their eggs there. Right, see him there? She's got no legs though. Let's get her back. Big male there. Right, I'm going to empty this, guys, and I'll bring you back once we get on to the next set. Let's get them. Get onto that 5th string. Come on, you lobsters. I'll measure that lobster in a minute, guys. Hopefully it's a keeper. Not very good in that one. Oh God. I got zilch. There's no point, I'll just show you this quickly, guys. So first pot, we got absolutely zilch, nothing in the trap as you can see. And in the second pot, all we got is 4 small brown edible crabs. Not very good at all, so I'm going to empty these and we're going to get straight onto the inkwells, then move down and do the other 3 strings. Hopefully we can get some more lobsters. Let's go. Let's get onto that inkwell. Unfortunately, I couldn't find the inkwell, so we're going to get straight onto these 3 strings and hopefully we get some lobsters. Let's get to it. Hopefully we get some lobsters in these strings, guys. That might be my pot there. We'll have to go and check that later. First pot's coming. No good in the smash pot, guys. The trap's broke on this one. Anyway, I'm going to get out of the danger area and I'll show you what we got. So guys, as you can see, first pot, absolutely nothing, but I need to fix that trap. I'm going to fix that at another date. And the second pot, we got 3 brown edible crabs. 1, number 2, and number 3. No good whatsoever, so I'm going to get these back out and we'll get onto the next 2 strings. Get on to that next set. Get out the danger area. So guys, first pot of that string, 2 spider crabs, no good. And we've got a wrasse in there as well, which I'm going to chop back. Lovely little wrasse there, so that's going to go back to live another day. Fantastic. So back that goes, down she'll go, and 2 spider crabs. In the second pot, we got a small lobster, but it's just an abundance of brown edible crabs, guys. Take a look at these. Loads of them, absolutely loads of them. We've got a small lobster there as well. That's going to be going back. Nice to see though, fantastic small lobster. That shows what the sea life is around here in the Channel Islands. Lots of small lobsters, fantastic for the future. So yeah, shows that the size limits and stuff like that are working, so that's great. Back that goes. And an abundance of brown edible crabs that I'm going to release them, guys, because they're all too small. So bear with me, I'm going to release these, we'll get on to the next set. Final one, and then we'll go and look for those inkwells. Get on to that last set. So guys, as you can see, first pot absolutely zilch. Then the second pot, the mangled pot, we got 2 brown edible crabs and a fine little lobster there. That's no way going to be near in size, but that is a fantastic looking lobster. Check the colours out on that, and look at its deformed claw. Its ripper claw, bit deformed that. Fantastic to see though, lovely little lobster again, and it's a lovely little male. So we're going to get that back, guys. Back it goes. Get these brown edible crabs back, and we're going to go and look for those inkwells. I'm sure I found them. Let's go and see if it's them. Let's go and find that inkwell, guys. Guys, I think I've found it. Just have to watch out because we're shallow in the rock, so let's try and get these pots. This is them, guys. We got the inkwells back, guys. Nothing in them, but at least we got them back. Let's go and play these out and start making our way in, guys. Start making our way in, guys. So guys, we're back in port and that's another episode of Inglorious Fishing. Didn't do that well today. We only had 1 keeper lobster, which is better than none. And we had 1 nice brown edible crab as well, guys. So all in all, not the best, but not the worst. We could have had no lobsters. So I really hope you enjoy this sort of video and you enjoy this content, guys. If you like this sort of content, make sure you smash the like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss one. And make sure you hit that bell to get all the notifications of when I go live and stuff like that. And we'll see you on the next one, guys. Inglorious Fishing. Thanks for watching. Take care and stay safe.